Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing the iPhone lock to owner screen, you're definitely not alone. If you are using iPhone 17 to 11 and iOS 26, Apple's security protections are stronger than ever. Method 1. Ask the previous owner to remove. If you bought the iPhone from someone else, the easiest solution is to contact the original owner. They can remotely remove the device from their Apple account through Find My. All they need to do is sign into with their Apple ID, select the locked iPhone, and choose Remove from Account. Once that's done, restart the iPhone, and continue the setup process normally. Method to reset Apple ID passcode online. If the iPhone belongs to you, but you've forgotten your Apple ID password, Apple provides an official recovery process. Simply visit Apple's account recovery page, and follow the verification steps. Now let's move on to older supported iPhones. For iPhone X to 6 and iOS 16, additional options may be available, depending on the iOS version installed on the iPhone. One of the most commonly used solutions is iShare iBypass Genius. To get started with, connect your iPhone with a USB cable, and install iShare iBypass Genius on your computer. It's designed for situations where you are locked out on the activation lock screen, and cannot unlock it with device passcode. Open the software, and choose Bypass ID. Click the Start button. Then follow the on-screen instructions to prepare the device and begin the process. Once complete, you'll be able to access the device and continue the setup. That's all for the video. I will see you in